Hello, my name is Pieter and I'm gonna show you something about tulips, and not just tulips. Those are tulips from the Sun Valley farm in Arcata. And the Sun Valley farm is really having like the best of the best. And when you have those on your table, you really will enjoy them. And what I have here is a Parrot Tulip, which is a very special tulip, very nice. And as you can see, they come in a clear sleeve. And when you buy them, what you do, you cut the stems. First you put it in water for several hours. An hour or 2 or 3 is enough so that they really can drink water. When they are done, after those 2-3 hours, then you bring them to your table in the kitchen or in your working area, take the sleeve off, and then you can start making your design. And what I'm doing here is that I'm gonna make a kind of collection, which is very fashionable nowadays, of little small vases. And what I did also, I went to the beach, cut some wood from the beach, some driftwood, some stones from the river, put them all together, and I bought also at the store bear grass. This is bear grass. You can find it in every grocery store. And what I'm gonna do is that I'm weaving these vases together, and it's a do and just don't think. You just put it in the vases first and take some of these in every vase. Cut them before you put them in the water, otherwise they can't drink. Now, as you can see, now it's like a forest here, but the fun fact is that I'm bending them down and putting them in the next one. And now it's almost like knitting with grass. You put them together, see? But please do bend them at the top. If you don't, then they will escape from the vase. So you see, and this here is like the base. Now, pretty easy. I take some tulips from this beautiful bunch of Parrot Tulips and weave them also through the little vases here. And then you get this whole family of tulips all standing together with the vases. It's a perfect decoration on a side table. As a centerpiece, gorgeous as a centerpiece. For the dining table, when you have a dinner, a party going on. And you know, as a matter of fact, you only need one bunch of tulips and a little bit of bear grass, and of course your vases. But for sure, you can find them in the store. You find them most probably also at your own house. And you can also go to flea markets, where nowadays you can find the most beautiful little vases from the 50s and the 60s, and you can use those too. Now look here, this is the last one because we use everything we have. And this one, look how many flowers are coming on one stem. Incredible, huh? Now, to get the real picture, I will take this a little bit apart so that you can see the end effect. And this could be on your table.